All right, this is Robert with Cruzbike, and today on our A4X, we're going to install our frame bag. This is a custom bag made just for the A4X. Goes on nice and simple. Has a pretty good storage capacity, as you'll see here in the video. We have some loops, pockets on the inside, and when you open it up, you're going to see it comes with some straps to attach to the frame. We're going to set those up here on the seat just for the moment. And it also comes with some stiffeners. So these go inside the bag. The shorter one goes on the top, and the longer one goes all around across the bottom to provide a nice kind of wide, hard shell for it, so to speak. So inside are some pockets, sewn in pockets, and those are for these stiffeners. So we're going to put these in with the silver side facing up, making it easier for us to see what's inside the bag. And we're going to simply work this into the bag with the long one going in the pockets on each end, as you see here. And it's a nice tight fit. So we want to get this in here nice and snug, working the stiffener into the pocket, and then just working it into the bottom of the bag. Once we have that, we'll have a nice smooth bottom there. And then we're simply going to repeat the same thing for the top stiffener with the silver side down, silver side facing the inside of the bag. And we're going to work that inside the tabs for the stiffener on both sides of the bag, just like that, on both ends. And once we have everything worked all the way in, we have a nice kind of spaced open bag. We have a pocket on the inside, nice and spacious. All right, once we have that done, we're simply going to stick it right in the frame. It'll work with either shock position. The Cruzbike logo is going to go to your right side, as you can see here. And then we're going to simply use our 4 Velcro straps. I like to put one on the back behind the seat rail. We'll sit there and loop that through the tabs in the top of the bag. Then we'll take another strap here and put one on the front part of the bag. Then I also like to put one right at the bottom and keep everything nice and secure that way. Then we'll put one here in the middle. So that takes care of all 4 of our straps. Make everything nice and secure. Now this bag has a nice pocket with a strap that's capable of holding a water bottle. It's not necessarily intended for you to remove it while you're riding because it's not a hard water bottle cage, but it'll hold one nonetheless, or other things. You also have your pocket on the side, which if you have long enough arms, you might actually be able to reach inside this bag while you're riding, but it does keep things nice and handy. Phone, wallet, keys, nice and close, easy access. All right, there you have your A4X with its frame bag installed. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@cruzbike.com, and happy riding.